Chair, that they can get more information, they can share more information through social media than they can get from the mainstream media?
Pwede yun, sir. May replacement factor kasi ang mainstream media takes a while to print. But ito, at the moment, you get to push what is happening. And
That sometimes they do not trust mainstream media for information.
meron study, sir, na ganyan.
Yes, because Mr. Chair, ako po, biktima ko po na biktima rin ako ng dalawang broad seat na yan. Yung sinasabi ko po sa inyo kanina when we started, if you remember, last January 13, this year, there was a huge rally that happened. And I think this is something that we can agree on without debating with one another. It was a huge rally. In Metro Manila alone, the two broad streets, I was referring to, estimated the crowd to be in the vicinity of 1.8 million participants. And there were 12 more sites across the nation. So the total, according to estimates, should not be less than 4 million people. Pag binasa po ninyo yung dalawang broad seats, Mr. Chair, on December 14, where the event is supposed to be reported,